Hello everyone, I'm Thomas Schimmelhorn and you guys are watching my YouTube channel, Drawing, Illustrations, and Art. In this video I wanted to do a current weight drawing video. It's just one of those things that I haven't been doing in a while, but that I sort of want to get into and so forth. I believe I was 327. I'm probably a little bit over now because it's winter and I always eat too much in the winter. Anyways, I was going to just have this be a speed drawing video, but this didn't turn out how I would like, so I thought I would talk a little bit about the medium I'm using, and that is charcoal. Now, charcoal is, I think it's one of the harder mediums to use and so forth because it's so soft. Even the H pencils are pretty soft, they're pretty soft, even though you can do a lot of good details with them and so forth. The problem with them being soft is it's so soft that you can literally mess up stuff. It's very, very hard to get details with it because of this, and you sort of have to play around with it. You have to add medium, and then you have to take medium away, and so forth. But it's also why I like it, because you virtually have no mistakes. It's just all about time with this medium, and so forth. And I think that's why a lot of people don't like it. I like it, but it's just there's things that I didn't want to do because I'm working on another project. Maybe you've seen it on Instagram. It doesn't really have a name, but it's basically this dragon swooping down in a ravine and so on and so forth. And I haven't uploaded anything on that in a while because my electric eraser broke. I got this nice easel, right, and not knowing how the easel works, I unscrewed it too far and I thought I broke it, and the spring basically at the back popped off and everything sort of went off, and the electric eraser shattered on the floor. Everything literally just went boosh. It's like it exploded and so forth, and so I'm waiting for that. Anyways, I tried to add things that I want to accomplish this year with my weight, and so eating more meal preps, a little bit more exercise and so forth, but I don't really feel like exercise is the number one thing you should be doing when you're trying to lose weight. It should be eating right and making sure you're eating the right amount of calories, the right amount of protein, and the right amount of fat, and so forth. And there are a lot of other videos to support that if you don't believe me. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share, comment, and like. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more from me, and I will see you guys in the next one.